Yes.
You see Mickey up there?
Yeah, not very hidden.
Yeah, that's not a hidden Mickey. He's just up there. But he is surrounded by hidden Mickeys. Little petals in the circle around him.
Look at that.
Look
at that.
Now, if you follow these circles down, these line up with the solar system, with the sun and the 9 planets, because in my day, Pluto was a planet, concern it.
Yeah.
It's still planet to me.
All right. Naturally, when we come to Pluto, we find Mickey Mouse.
Ooh, good. I see.
Look at that.
Very nice.
Mickey Mouse and music.
You know it.
Love it. Oh, that's so cool.
Sorry.
No worries.
Hidden.
Aren't really even hidden at all. It's just no one notices them. For example, our themed lamps.
Oh, I've been looking at these.
Now, the reason I love these is if I had one of these, I would be known in my neighborhood as the guy who has that lamp. Here I have to point them out to people. That's how much awesome stuff we have around here. The big secret of the building wall, because where would we be without our building stores, are in the circles going up the side. Each one contains the symbol of a classic Disney villain. So if you care to test your metal, see if you can identify them.
Well, look at that. Well, and also living down, you can see them right
Well,
here.
sort of, sir, but there are more villain circles than there are villain pictures, right?
Jafar,
Yes.
Captain Cook,
Absolutely.
the evil queen from Snow White.
Yep.
I don't see what is on top there.
You have to get at the right angle for that one, sir. If it helps, it's a diamond.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's a
diamond.
Where characters from A to Z reflect
Now
your
that's
personality.
No.
That is the Devil's Eye Diamond
Deep cut.
from The Rescuers.
Rescues down
Featuring
under.
The villain Madame Medusa.
I've got to have the devil's eye. You didn't.
Madame Medusa. I have not seen that film in years, and I liked it.
Well,
I need to rewatch it.
Madame Medusa has a special place in our history because she's our ugliest villain.
Oh.
I'm not joking. I'm completely serious.
Completely serious.
Absolutely, because most of our villains, even if they're not supposed to be the beautiful character, have something about them that makes them interesting to look at.
Right.
You know, Cruella has her coat, Hades has his fire, Maleficent's terrifying, but that entrance in Sleeping Beauty, you can't take your eyes off her.
Right.
Madame Medusa in The Rescuers is a train wreck. She is hard to look at, and that's what they were going for. That's what they wanted, and they nailed it.
Wow.
Okay, next up we got some scissors.
Some scissors. It's from Rapunzel.
Nope.
No, it's the.
Yeah,
You remember
Rapunzel
two
doesn't want her
mice?
haircut.
It was the mice then. It makes dress for her.
Nope, this is all
That's
just the villain.
Cinderella.
This is
Those
the
mice
villain.
from- yeah.
It's the
Wow.
villain.
Okay.
So it's not the mother, because she wouldn't let. her.
They are the scissors used by the Fates of Hercules.
Oh.
Okay. Oh yeah, because they cut. Makes
Now, this
sense.
one I know you'll like.
What is that one?
Oh, that's Cinderella. That's the spinning wheel.
Yeah, Sleeping Beauty.
Wonderlanders. Sleeping Beauty. Oh my goodness, I totally misspoke. I saw the whole thing.
No, I get it. They're-
What again? Oh,
Fuddles people sometimes too.
Oogie Boogie? What?
Skeleton.
No, it's a.
And it's not Oogie Boogie.
Well, it's also you remember the guy who take a headless horseman come from.
That's the one.
Headless Horseman.
It is the head, so to speak, of the Headless
I love
Horseman.
it.
I think the Headless Horseman doesn't get a lot of play, and I think the problem is he doesn't have any memorable lines or songs because he cannot talk or sing because he has no head. Poor guy. Villain. Evil Queen and the Old Crone. Two forms of the same villain.
I like that. I think that's good. And she was the first villain.
You know it.
So, and that's Ursula.
For that. Folks, but we are also
Yeah.
one of the few places in the resort with a hidden vault.
There you go.
I haven't seen that ever. Just like up there.
One of those hiding in plain sight kind of things.
Right.
But that's not the final secret right now. See these letters? Those are Atlantean from the movie Atlantis, The Lost Empire. Underneath each Atlantean letter is a regular letter. And it spells out W A L T and R O Y. Walt and
Walt
Roy.
and Roy.
The Disney
oh
brothers.
my goodness. I love that. Wow.
That
We are in Beast's Library, which is kind of a hidden spot inside Sorcerer's workshop. In fact, it's so hidden that maybe not people have not been coming here, or they just needed the space. And look, we have the prince. I think he's going to turn into the beast now.
probably, yeah.
There he goes. Oh. So, we're saying goodbye, actually, to the Beast's Library.
Yes, it's very soon will be closed forever.
It's not going to be replaced by another attraction. It's going to be part of what they call the Imagination Campus. So students will be able to come here and learn how to use their imagination to solve problems, which I think is really quite a good use of the space.
I think they're still keeping Sorcerer Shop. They just replace only this
The
one.
Sorcerer's Workshop will still be here. It's just
The Beast Library.
Yep.
Enchanté. It is with the greatest pleasure that we will now show you which Disney character is most like you. My assistant, please.
Hello, up here. Simply line up your face inside the oval, if you please. Now, sit back, relax, and smile. We're going to create your portrait in 3, 2, 1. Got it! Oh, delightful.
Yes. If not, you may try again. Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final.
I don't know.
You do.
No, that's okay, yeah.
But first, we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is you, sir or madame. When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends?
Or think it through in your head.
Do you see yourself as more sensible or more imaginative?
Simply line up your face inside the oval.
Are you ruled more by your passionate heart or your logical head?
3, 2, 1.
Do you usually like to plan things out or wait to see what happens? If not, you may try again.
Another? Yes, of course. Here we go.
Very good. One more question we must ask. Would you rather eat lunch with nice people or eat nice people for lunch?
Lumiere. Really?
You are independent, fun, and adventurous. You enjoy being active, which can leave others in your pixie dust. You are most like Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell!
I do love a happy ending.
Au revoir.
Toodaloo.
Okay, who's next?